This is Mr. Martin. This is the video solution for number 4 on worksheet 8.3 for geometry. We've got a regular hexagon. It has an apothem of 24 inches and we want to find the area. So I'm going to start with my picture. So I'm going to draw my regular hexagon. We'll just pretend that it's regular. And I've got my apothem of 24, and that's all we've got. So we've got that A is equal to 24, and we've got that N is equal to 6 because it has 6 sides. Now we need to use the information they give us to find the length of each side. So this is similar to problem number 3, and that if I draw in all these radii of my regular polygon, then I've got basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles in there. So if I wanted to find out what each of them was, I would do 360 divided by 6. So each of those angles at the center is 60 degrees, which means if we look over here at this triangle in here, this would be 30 degrees. So now I'm going to redraw that little triangle because it's kind of hard to see. So I've got that triangle. There's my apothem. There's half the length of a side of the hexagon. So this is 24 and this is 30 degrees. And I want to find this x, which is this x over here, just from there to there, and there's my right angle. Okay, so again, if you remember your 30, 60, 90 triangle ratios, you can do it that way. I'm going to do it using SOHCAHTOA just because that's a way that we can do any of these types of problems. So the last two problems happen to be special cases where your angle could be figured out, or your side could be figured out using your special right triangles. So if I'm standing over here at the 30, the x is my opposite, the 24 is my adjacent. So I've got tan 30 is equal to x over 24. So 24 tan 30, that's what x is going to equal. And that should end up being 13.9. Again, you should double check my math. So if that's 13.9, then this whole side here is going to be twice that, or 27.8. So now I know the length of each side is 27.8. I can go ahead and forgot my blank formula, so it's A times N times S divided by 2. So that's 24. Number of sides is 6. Length of each side we just figured out was 27.8. Divide that by 2, and we should get 2001.6 inches squared. All right, and again, double check that calculation. If you have any questions, make sure you see me or check in with somebody at the point or one of the pairs, and we'll see you next time.